Okay, welcome back. So let's quickly go to mobile.com and let's log into our account. So let's see if our account is activated. Let's see if it's been approved. So this is mobile.com. Okay, so after logging in, click on Samsung 123 at Gmail. Remember our username. Just log in to my account. Wow, okay, so my account is approved. Now I can see this. Okay, I see products, I see ratings, I see total orders, I see total sales. So this is one of the greatest advantage this mobile is giving to you guys. You see, you can see the number of your products. You can see the number of your products. You can see the number of your ratings. You can see the total number of your orders. You can see the total number of your orders and all. You can see the total number of sales that you are making, right? You can see your sales statistic. If you started making sales, it will be going up. And amount sold, see, as you can see, amount sold, even to indicate the amount that you made last month, and also how many orders you have, orders you received, the order, cancelled order, and a lot they are verified. Now you can, if you have some money in your account, you can withdraw your money from here. You can click on withdraw, and then your money will be withdrawn. And you can, if you want to add new products, you want to start adding products to your store, you can add it. And if you want to go to product settings, shop settings, you can set it. And if you want to go to your payment settings as well, you can set. And let's click on the menu. Let's see what we have. So we have products. We have all these products like this. We have uploaded files. We can also sell in wholesales. So this platform also allows us to sell in wholesales. Maybe we are selling in wholesales to people that wants to resell our products. So once you select wholesale, we can sell in wholesales to people. And if it is only single product we want to sell, you can come to this product and click on products. Once you click on this product, it's going to take us to our product pages, right? Once it takes us to our product pages, I will quickly just, so I can now add new products to carts. I can click on add new products. I can add new products to my website. So now product name, category, brand, unit weight. Okay, all of this information that I'm going to fill. Okay, so product description is available as well. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I will go to my notepad. I saved my information. With some of the information of the product, I type them right here. And product title, this is product one that I want to upload. So I will just copy this. And I will come to my product name. I will select this Phantom Black. So this is a phone, mobile phones, mobile accessories. Okay, so I will just select mobile phones. So brand, the phone that I'm uploading is Samsung. In your case, if you do not see the brand, you can use not listed, right? But since the brand is listed right here, Samsung, I'll just go with Samsung. And unit is, I will put PC. You want to put PC, leave the weight, minimum purchase quantity, leave it. And this place, paste your product. You can, I'm selling Samsung, right? I'm selling Samsung. I'll just write Samsung Galaxy, right, comma, then I will just or I can just delete it and say Samsung Fold 4, right? So look at other description you have. We have Fold 4 12 gig RAM, say 12 gig RAM, 512 ROM. That's the inner memory, right? Okay, so that's 512 gig space. So this tag, the purpose of this tag is for people to actually, when they come to mobile and they search for any product like this, they can actually, they search for Samsung Fold 4, they can actually lead to your store. So that's an additional promotion advert for you for free. So now remember, whatever you are typing, make sure that you add comma at the end. Understand? So 5G, dual SIM, phantom. So just make sure that you add comma at the end, like Samsung, comma, understand, like that. So just make sure you do all of this, add the tags, whatever it is you think people can search for, just put it there. Product images. Now we have two product images. We have gallery images and thumbnail images. On these gallery images, I will just select the gallery images, and I will go to upload new. I will browse the products and I will upload the picture images. So this is the image of the two that I want to upload. So I'm uploading the two products. Then after uploading the two, I will select the two. Then I will add file. Right now I've added two now. So right now I will click on the thumbnail. Now in the thumbnail, I will only select one that will attract user, and I'm selecting this, and then I'll add file. So now these two images that I selected, if you remember, if you are not having good network, if you click on this load image, it may not open. Just refresh your browser and do it again. And after that, YouTube link, if you have a YouTube video of that product, you can upload the YouTube video link. Right, so copy the YouTube video link and put it right there. But if you don't have, neglect it, forget about it, neglect all these aspects. Now units product price is very important. So this is going for 1.2 million naira. That's how much this phone costs at the moment. And discount, okay, let's say initially it cost 1.5 billion naira. So I'm going to be giving discount of 300,000. So giving a discount of 300,000 means that the unit price I'll be displaying on this product will be 1.2 billion. That's how much I want to sell it. Now 300,000 discount is being removed on it. So how many quantity of this phone do I have? I have 10 of these available in stock. Then SKU, I will leave it, I will leave the rest. And now product description, I will just go back to my notepad and copy the description of the phone. This information, just like that, as the description, copy. Now go back to my product description, just paste everything there like that. Easy peasy. That's in Nano Galaxy Samsung. Okay, so I will just scroll up. I don't need to add any other thing again. The SEO meta tags, just leave these ones as well. Free shipping. If you want to offer free shipping, if you want to send this phone to people for free, add it. And if the shipping is going to cost you much, you can add 1,000 naira for the shipping cost. That is if you want to deliver it to people within your location. So I mean, low quantity warning. So low quantity warning, just leave it at 1. It means if people buy this product and it remain 1, it will showing you warning, to show you warning that your product is remaining 1. Just leave it at 1 like that. Okay, so if you want to accept cash on delivery as well, you can activate it. How many days will it take to ship? 1 day or 2 days, depending on how much days you think you can do it. So upload the product. Now immediately you upload the product will be uploaded, right? And then if you click on this plus icon right there, this plus, if you click on this plus icon to show you that approval is pending. Now this feature, make sure you select featured so that this product will be featured on your home page on your website. Now I will upload another product. So let's wait for some moments before they can actually approve this. I will select featured as well. So now let's go back to our shop. Let's go back to our shop settings. Now if you go to our shop settings, remember this visit shop. Let's click on visit shop to visit our shop. So this is our shop now. Now as you can see, so you see now this is our shop. Store home, top selling. You see the banner that I uploaded the other time, and featured product and new arrival product. You see it's not showing verification again. Now once they approve our products, everything is going to be displayed the way it's supposed to display. Alright, so I can just come here and copy my website link and paste it here on my notepad that I'm using to upload my products to Samsung Global 50. That's my website link on mobile. So I can share this link to people to see all of my products available online, and that is my own website now, thanks to mobile. And so let's wait for this to be approved. In the next 24 hours or something like that, the website will be up and running. They would have approved it. So let me check. So let me refresh this page, and let me refresh my product page, and let me see if it has been approved. Okay, so my product has been approved, and this product too has been approved. So let me go to my shop settings and access my shop from there. So let me click on visit shop and see how my products are doing. Okay, so this is cool. Wow, new arrival. Okay, so this is great. So do you remember the featured that you selected the other time? This is it. It's going to feature there. New arrival are coming here. So I think this is cool. Wow. So if people wants to buy any of this now, they can just click on these products. They click on these products, they see these products, right? Okay, so this is interesting. This is cool. Today's can message me. Okay, so they can buy, you can add to carts, you can share, and this is the description about the product that I shared. Okay, so I think this is everything you need to know about your store, right? So you can go back to your dashboard, click dashboard, then you see you have 2 products now. Then when you start making sales, all the number will be counting. And also go to your payment settings to configure your payment settings, and put another phone number of yours, 90901267, right? So you can still input your, remember that your logo, then add files, which is down, and also payment settings. You accept cash payment, you accept bank transfer. Visit your, input your bank name, Samsung Global, the name of your account, and then account number is 0000000000. So if you input all this, once you click on update and save, it means that whatever it is that the user is paying for your product is going to be coming to your bank account right here. So add your address. So I'm adding 350 to say to this Nigeria. State is Abuja, and city to say. So select your own city based on that. If you have any issues with whatever it is, you can always reach out to the customer service, and can reach out to the customer service. Click on the website. So this is Simplify homepage, landing page. And if you want to reach out to them, you can always reach out to the customer care. Then they're always online 24/7. Just click on this and drop a message to them on WhatsApp, right? So that is just that about that. Okay, so these are the different products in stock, and I believe all your 2 products is added in the landing page. How awesome, right? That is really super cool. So this is, so the new product, this is your product right here on their own landing page as well. So apart from your website, they still list your product on their home page for marketing. So good luck. Thank you.